Hey, do you want to know about the secret to earning $40 an hour online, all while making the most of YouTube Shorts? Well, you're in the right place. I got a strategy that's so good it'll feel like magic, except it's real and it can work for anyone. This could be the chance you've been waiting for to finally make serious cash online. But before we dive in, remember to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any golden nuggets of wisdom. Are you ready to level up your online earnings? Let's get this show on the road. Let's start this party with a proper introduction, shall we? Let me tell you about the absolute star of our money-making strategy. It's called PICTORY. Now, I know what you think. What's in a name, right? But I'm here to tell you that this name perfectly sums up what this innovative AI tool is all about. It truly is a victory for anyone looking to make a mark in the ever-competitive world of video creation. You see, PICTORY is a total game changer. It's not just some run-of-the-mill tool. Oh no. This piece of technology is something that is designed from the ground up to be as user-friendly and as intuitive as possible. It's like it knows exactly what you need before you even do. It's like having a friendly assistant that helps you create amazing content with the smoothness and ease of a professional. Now, let's dive into the fun part, the video creation. Whether you're into short, punchy clips that get your point across in a jiffy or long, detailed videos that delve into the heart of a topic, PICTORY's got you covered. This magic tool allows you to create all sorts of captivating videos for various social media platforms, and that too in no time at all. Can you imagine creating an entire video within minutes? That's the power PICTORY brings to your fingertips. But wait, it gets even better. With PICTORY, you aren't confined to some cookie-cutter templates. No, you get to personalize your own videos. You make them as unique and as engaging as you'd like with a vast array of customization options that PICTORY offers. It's like having your own personal stylist, but for your videos. Step 1. Sign up and set up your PICTORY account. Are you ready to unlock the extraordinary power of PICTORY? Well then, my friend, the first step on this incredible journey begins with signing up for an account with PICTORY, the exclusive platform that provides access to this remarkable tool. Let me tell you, the possibilities that await you are absolutely mind-blowing. So without further ado, let's dive right in. To embark on this exciting adventure, simply head over to the PICTORY.ai website. Your gateway to the entire new world of possibilities. Once there, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface designed to make your sign-up process as smooth as silk. And guess what? I got a little something to help kickstart your journey through PICTORY. All you need to do is remember the secret code DAVE45 and enter it during the sign-up process. This referral code will open up a whole new level of benefits and opportunities exclusively tailored for you. Now let me assure you, signing up for an account is an absolute breeze. Just look out for the easy-to-find Get Started for Free button. It practically screams, "Click me." So, with a simple click, you open the door to a world where unlimited potential awaits. Follow the easy-peasy instructions provided, and in no time, you'll have your shiny new account ready to go. What exactly does PICTORY offer, you might ask? Well, my friend, be prepared to be amazed. PICTORY is not just a tool, it's a game changer. With PICTORY at your side, you have the power to revolutionize your work processes, elevate your thinking, and supercharge your problem-solving skills. Imagine analyzing complex data with lightning speed, generating innovative ideas effortlessly, and unraveling insights that were previously hidden from view. PICTORY empowers you to push boundaries and surpass limitations, making the impossible possible. Step 2. Unlock the magic with the script-to-video tool. Once your PICTORY account is all set up and ready to roll, get ready to dive into the enchanting world of the script-to-video tool. Brace yourself for an experience that will ignite your creativity and unleash the potential of your ideas like never before. As you step into this virtual realm, you'll be greeted by a vast expanse, a blank canvas eagerly awaiting the touch of your brilliance. It's your time to shine. Now I know what you're thinking. How can I make my script truly captivating? Well, my friend, fear not, for in the next step of this exhilarating journey, we're about to delve into exactly that. We'll unlock the secrets, tips, and techniques that will transform your script into a mesmerizing masterpiece that leaves your audience spellbound. Imagine having a tool at your disposal that seamlessly brings your words to life, bridging the gap between your imagination and reality. The script-to-video tool is your artistic ally, empowering you to craft captivating narratives that captures hearts and minds. Whether you're a seasoned storyteller or just starting on your creative path, this tool will elevate your storytelling game to unprecedented heights. With an intuitive interface designed with simplicity in mind, the script-to-video tool grants you the power to effortlessly shape your story. You'll have access to a plethora of features and options, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your video. From choosing the perfect background music that suits the mood to selecting dynamic visual effects that mesmerize the viewer, the possibilities are virtually limitless. But hold on, there's more. This magical tool isn't just about visuals and audio. It also offers you the ability to customize characters and their expressions, adding a touch of personality and emotion to your storytelling. Imagine your characters coming to life with their unique traits and quirks, making your script an immersive experience that engages your audience on a profound level. Step 3. Unleash the power of Write Sonic. Next on our journey to $40 per hour is the Write Sonic website. This AI-powered tool will make your content creation process a breeze. All you need to do is input your ideas, and Write Sonic will generate a top-notch article that's perfect for your script. Imagine this. All you have to do is provide Write Sonic with your brilliant ideas, and like magic, it will generate a high-quality article that perfectly aligns with your script's needs. Say goodbye to the grueling hours spent brainstorming, researching, and crafting each and every word. With Write Sonic by your side, you can sit back, relax, and let this remarkable AI-powered tool handle the heavy lifting. The Write Sonic AI article writer is a true game changer. It's like having a professional wordsmith right at your fingertips, ready to deliver compelling and engaging content on demand. Whether you're working on a blog post, a script, or any other written material, this tool will take your ideas and transform them into a polished, ready-to-use article. But here's the best part: customization. Write Sonic understands that each product is unique, and that's why it offers you the ability to tailor the generated content to your specific needs. You have the power to tweak the tone, adjust the style, and even specify the desired word count. This way, the AI article writer becomes an extension of your creativity, amplifying your voice and allowing you to deliver content that truly reflects your vision. Step 4. Bring your script to life with PICTORY. Now that you have a top-notch script in your hands, it's time to embark on the exhilarating journey of bringing your ideas to life. And guess what? PICTORY, the ultimate destination for video creation, has got your back. With their state-of-the-art AI-powered video creation tool, you have everything you need to transform your script into a visually stunning and captivating video experience. The beauty of PICTORY lies in its simplicity. Gone are the days of struggling with complex software or requiring technical expertise to create compelling videos. PICTORY's user-friendly platform puts the power in your hands, allowing you to unleash your creativity without any barriers. All you need to get started is your freshly minted script and an abundance of imagination. Using PICTORY's AI-powered video creation tool is like having a virtual production studio at your fingertips. You have access to a wide range of customization options, from selecting captivating visuals and striking imagery to choosing the perfect background music that sets the mood. PICTORY ensures that every element of your video aligns with your creative vision. But wait, there's still more. PICTORY understands that perfection lies in the details. That's why they offer a preview and editing feature that allows you to fine-tune your video to perfection. Take advantage of this opportunity to add unique touches, refine transitions, and adjust timing, all with a few simple clicks. With PICTORY, your video will truly be a reflection of your artistic flair. Step 5. Make money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. Now for the best part, the money making. With your awesome video ready to go, it's time to publish it on YouTube Shorts. Consistently uploading engaging content is key here. As your channel grows, you can start monetizing your content by promoting affiliate products related to your niche. For high-quality affiliate products, I recommend ClickBank. This platform offers a wide range of products that you can promote to your audience. Remember to include your affiliate link in your video description and be honest about your commission earned. This helps build trust with your audience and encourages them to engage with your content. As more people buy products to your link, your commissions will start to pile up, and before you know it, you're earning a cool $40 an hour. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can take advantage of YouTube Shorts and make $40 an hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. To stay updated with more money-making strategies, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and here's to your online success. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.